telegraphic method and another is a comprehensive method. Now I'll share my screen. The same comprehension passage which you already read earlier, I would like to share the same thing so that it becomes easy for you. Hopefully my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So telegraphic method is just choosing the right word. For example, if you read the first word, recent advances in science and technology have made it possible for genetics to find out abnormalities in the unborn fetus. What are the keywords here? I'll ask individually, don't jump to answer. Tirupati, roll number 107. Read the first line, only first line. What are the key words, not sentence? Only tell me the key words.
सर
Can you
एक्चुअली
tell
पापा
me
का कॉल आ रहा था, आप फिर से दिखाएंगे?
which one?
सर मेरे घर से कॉल आ रहा था, फिर से दिखाएंगे वो?
It's already there in the screen.
So it's not
नो
visible.
सर.
First,
No, sir,
No,
not
sir, not
visible.
visible.
That.
Not on the screen, sir.
not visible.
नहीं है सर.
Wait a second, but
No,
it's
sir, not visible.
Not visible.
wait a second. Wait a second. I'll reshare it. Is it visible now?
No, sir.
No,
No
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
And the comprehension passage window, sir.
Comprehension passage window only. You are not
Sir,
able to read what I am saying,
So
showing.
nothing is
Not
It is
visible.
not.
visible.
sir, nothing is visible.
No.
Wait a second. Stop presenting the screen. Now
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
Yes,
it's
sir.
read the
Yes,
first
sir.
line. Read the first line and please tell me. I asked a specific boy. Please tell me what are the key words here. First line.
Sir, 40s,
Fetus. That's called fetus.
fetus. Yes, sir.
So what are the key words according to you?
Yes, sir.
So in this, if I ask you to choose the keywords are usually called the center point of any sentence. If you remove these particular words, the sentence will fall flat. So keywords is the significant words in a particular sentence. So tell me the keywords in this sentence. What according to you are the keywords in this particular sentence? Okay, next I'll go to you can raise your hand. I'll those who have not participated, please raise your hand. Other people, please not. Sanjeet, Viraj, you people usually participate. I want people who usually do not participate. I want people usually who do not participate in the discussion. Please, those people whom I ask question, please put your hand down. Sakshi, Vinita, I have already asked question one day. So you people, please don't raise your hand. I would like to see people who usually do not participate in the discussion. Utkarsh Patel,
Sir, genetics.
wait a second. So according to you, genetics, okay. I'll highlight genetics and anything else.
Sir, science and technology.
Wait a second, I'll ask someone else. Shreyans Jain, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, boy, what are the key words in this sentence? Key words. If you remove these particular words, the sentence will fall flat.
Sir, genetics abnormalities.
Genetic, then abnormalities, and
Unborn fetus.
who is it?
Vibhuti.
Vibhuti. Okay, unborn fetus. Okay, then I'll go to Shushmita is here.
Yes, sir.
Madam, please tell me, would you like to deviate from the answers given already? First sentence.
Mm, I have to choose another keyword.
No, would you like to choose some other options, or you will go with only these options?
Okay.
If I ask you to choose the key words in this particular sentence, key words in this particular sentence.
Mm, I think so. The unborn fetus. I want to highlight the unborn only.
Unborn fetus, only unborn fetus.
Only unborn, because that highlight the unborn fetus.
Okay, unborn, fine. That's all.
Yes, sir. I think the
Viral
advance
Tiwari,
also.
advance also. Viral Tiwari, are you there, boy?
Yes, sir.
Anything else you would like to choose?
Science, technology.
Science, technology. Science and technology. Engine, are you there, boy?
Yes, sir.
Anything else you would like to go for?
Advance in science.
Advance already there.
Okay. No, sir. That's possible,
I'll
sir.
go. Soumya Ranjan Patra.
Yes, sir.
Anything else you would like to go for?
Nothing more, sir.
Nothing much. Okay. Anyone else would like to say something else other than what is highlighted?
Sir,
So,
possible.
Possible, sir.
Wait a second. Who is it? Tell me your name.
so Tarun Gupta.
Tarun Gupta, bolo, possible.
So, I would have removed science and technology because the genetics word already place an impact that it is related to science and technology. And also, I would have removed unborn because fetus
Now
is
tell me
like,
your choice. Your choice, boy. Tell me your choice.
so only genetics, abnormalities, and fetus would be enough, sir.
Genetics, abnormalities, and fetus. Okay. Anyone else would like to contradict? Anyone else would like to contradict or add something? Well, if you look at the sentence, the crux of the sentence goes like this: recent advances in science and technology made it possible. So, science and technology, possible, genetics, abnormalities, and unborn fetus. These are the keywords. These are the keywords. It may vary in your case, but to my knowledge, I will go for these words. Now, this is one method of writing Prezi. This is one method of writing Prezi, that you underline those words which according to you are the keywords. Only the words, not the sentence. So when you underline those words, and when this underlining is done, you frame sentences with these particular keywords. One cautionary note is here: do not write the sentence as it is written in the paragraph itself. Because if you do so, the examiner will feel that you do not have command over it. Hence, you are copy and pasting it. They will not give you 0, but they will give you the minimum number. So this is one method of writing Prezi. One method of writing Prezi. This method is called telegraphic method. Any question? Telegraphic method. Regarding Prezi, I will send you study material. Any question regarding this telegraphic method of Pressy? Manish?
No, sir.
Manish Pankra?
No, sir.
No question. Vivek Singh? Vivek Singh, are you there? Roll number 114.
Yes, sir. No
Any
question.
question, boy?
No, sir.
Okay. Before,
No, sir. No question.
no question.
Sir,
Yes. Anyone
sir,
else?
is unborn word really
Uh,
required to be considered as keyword? As I think fetus
fetus itself, huh? Fine,
signifies it
fine.
is.
Unborn you can drop in that case also because fetus itself is unborn.
Yes, sir.
That's what I said that there is no fixed rule. You can give your choice also. Got my point? Okay.
Yes, sir.
And anything else? Okay. Next method is read the entire paragraph. Read the entire paragraph. First reading, you get familiar with the idea. Second reading, you get to know what is important and what is not. Third reading, you start formulating your own sentences. Please write down when you are reading Presi, the second paragraph, the second method is called comprehensive method. Comprehensive method is there are three readings. First reading, you are reading the paragraph to get acquainted, to get familiar with the paragraph. First reading. Second reading, when you are reading for paragraph for the second time, what you will do, you get familiar with the idea. You get familiar with the idea what they are trying to say. First reading, getting acquainted with the entire paragraph. Second reading is in get familiar with the particular idea that what usually a paragraph says about one idea or sometimes two three ideas. So get familiar with the idea. Third reading, segregate those ideas. Fourth one, start writing on your own. This is called comprehensive method of writing Presi. Now this method is the best one. This method is the best one because here you have a scope or you have room to apply your creativity. Unlike the telegraphic method is highly mechanical in nature. So in literature, we do not really encourage mechanical thing. Rather, we encourage creativity. But please remember, creativity does not mean you will create something new which is not mentioned over there. Creativity, I'm saying, in terms of writing expressions in your own way. Writing not new expression. Remember, do not write new expression on your own. The tone which is mentioned over there, you are not supposed to change the tone. You are supposed to write in your own language. This is called comprehensive method. Comprehensive method is the best method. And sometimes it is said that when you are writing Presi, you are supposed to give a suitable title also. I think last time comprehensive passage when I was doing, someone asked me about the title. Now regarding title also, few methods are there. One of the famous method is comprehensive one. You read the entire paragraph and express the paragraph's idea in a one sentence or one word, or one word usually, no, one sentence. This is one method. Another method is pick up one or two words which are talking about the particular passage. This you will find when you look at the names of movies. There are two things. One is implication, another is picking up something or picking up the famous expression from there. For example, you have seen a movie called this there is a Tamil movie Asuran. किसी ने देखे हो क्या?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
if you
sir.
look at, but anywhere did you find that reference to Asuran, the word? Anywhere did you find that reference to the word Asuran? It is not there. It's called implicative. Implicative in the sense only the beast get into fighting. Only the beast for their right. But that's why it's an implication is Asuran is those people who get acquainted with only fighting for their right. But people who are literate will not go for this. That's why Asuran is basically instigating your primal instinct. That's why Asuran. But if you look at this movie Three Idiots, now Three Idiots is going through the character. Three fellows. It's all about three fellows. Idiot in the sense they are idiot in the true sense of the term. In the sense when other people are sorting, ratta maar ke ulti kar rahe, these three people moved a little bit than the traditional thing. That's why these people have been called an idiot. So Three Idiot movie and Asuran movie, you see two reflections. Another movie. Give me another movie. Something well known.
KGF.
KGF. I started but could not finish.
Bahubali.
Bahubali. Okay, okay. Fine. It's about the central character. It's about Amarendra Bahubali is a central character. The movie was named after him. Similarly, so what happened in Presi while you are writing? These are the strategies to follow while you are naming. These are very distant method, but these methods are helpful. One is you go by the comprehensive idea. For example, Asuran, comprehensive idea, connotation. Next one, character. Go by what the main theme of that paragraph. When you are going for Bahubali, it's the central character. Go by the central thing. So, and sometimes what happened? Sometimes they pick up some words or dialogue from the movie. Similarly, when you are reading the monk who sold his Ferrari, Rabin Sharma. If you read the book, it's all about contrasting thing. First of all, first contrasting thing is a monk is not supposed to own a Ferrari. Now, even if he owns the Ferrari, he is selling it off. So it's a contrastive title, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. So this kind of thing. So, and any other question regarding?
Sir, how much words should a title contain?
Yes, Shubhanshu.
Sir, how much words should a title contain?
There is nothing fixed like that. For example, when we are writing keywords, when you go to higher academic degree, for example, when you are going for MTech or PhD, that time you are supposed to write an abstract. It's a higher version of Prezi. That time, abstract, the number of keywords are limited, maximum 3 to 5, not more than that. But when it comes to title, shorter the better, but it should be comprehensive. There is no fixed thing like keywords, it is fixed. You cannot, exceed the keywords more than 5. Similarly, on the other hand, when it comes to title, no such rule is applicable that you cannot write more than 4 words or 5 words. Shorter and comprehensive, the better. This is the formula that we follow.
So like
Okay.
one word title is okay.
One word title, for example, in many cases is not expressive enough to capture the entire idea.
So like Avengers.
Like Avengers, I have not seen that one. Paragraph में Avengers नहीं आएगा, I'm sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shivanshu, Vivek, Shriyanshu. Anything else you would like to say?
No, sir. Till now, no. No, sir.
Okay. Vasudev.
No, sir.
No. अच्छा. कहाँ घूमने गए थे?
कहीं नहीं गए थे सर, अभी ना रहे
मास्क लगा के कहाँ खड़े हो?
थे सर, कोटा में गए थे।
कोटा में? अच्छा. You are from Rajasthan, Kota?
नो सर, उत्तर प्रदेश नियर कानपुर।
कानपुर देहात में या टाउन में?
सर मोर ऑन साइड।
ओके. वो जैन जी के बगल में तो नहीं है?
सर
कानपुर में जो जैन जी थे, जैन जी के घर पे बगल में तो नहीं है?
नो सर।
अच्छा. Okay, any other question, Presi? Presi, I'll send you the study material. If you have any question, you can ask me regarding Presi. Any question regarding Presi? No question.
Sir,
Yes, boy.
sir, basically, Prezi, we can say it is summary.
Not really, bit different. Just like battle and war are different, bit different. Summary is your making a gist, but précis is bit higher than that. For example, when you are writing, the tone changes. It's only writing, through writing we can differentiate. Summary and précis almost same but not the same. But when you will go to write abstract for your higher degree, you will see these are almost same. Summary, précis, abstract, almost same, but not same.
Sub, we haven't got the difference between it. Like some people say they lost the battle but win the whole war. So war is like a bigger thing, the bigger
What is a
picture.
bigger thing? Degree is more.
The bigger picture. So presse is like a bigger picture of summary. Uh, that's what.
No, summary, I will say summary is, if you categorize that you are making comprehensive passage, gist, summary one, then précis, higher one is called abstract. Précis is in between summary and abstract.
Okay, sir.
And anything else, Shivanshu? Any other question? Shashank? For short story, will you share PDF? We have to. No, you will get it from PDF. No? You will get it online, Srishti.
Yes, sir.
You will get it online. Don't depend on me. I'll send you study
Okay,
material.
sir. Don't worry. Yes, sir.
Anything else? Sumran? Are you there, Sumran? What are you doing, Sumran? Any question? Can you send some important idioms which can daily? There are a lot, boy. We cannot specify like that. There are a lot many. How many of them I'll give it in writing? Read newspaper, you will get acquainted. Read newspaper, Basudev.
Sir,
Yes,
sir,
Shashank.
sir, some paragraphs are like that they can't be titled properly because the paragraph is about fast food, some
Mhm.
demerits and some merits of fast food. So, appropriate how we can assign title to such a topic.
Based on Sumran, no, you are not audible. Shashank, in that case, if the context, go by connotative thing. What the thing, for example, as I have given you the example of Asuran, nowhere in the movie there is a reference to Asuran, but it's an implication.
Okay, sir.
Shivanshu, there are two Shivanshu in the class. I always get confused when you say Shivanshu. So whenever I call you boy, you reply no problem. Shivanshu. Okay, I'll call you by roll number 94.
Sir, I am
Question.
Okay, sir.
audible right now.
Yes, Shumran. Wait a second. Samriddhi, tell me what happened.
Sir, will there be poems in exam or only paragraphs?
Poem for what?
Like passage instead of passage, will there be poems or only passages?
Hopefully passage. I cannot promise. Okay, for MCQ, I swear it will be passage only. But for end semester exam, I don't know because someone else will frame the paper.
Okay, sir.
Sir, how
Wait a
precise
second,
question will
Vibhuti,
be asked
can
in
copy
exams?
and paste. Wait a second. Can copy and paste the last resort? According to you, we should read comprehension 4 times for better understanding. Yes, Sriyanshu, yes, you are right. Next is uh, Vibhuti. Copy and paste don't go for. For example, if you write on your own with complete grammatically correct English, I'll give you 4 out of say 6 or so. But if you copy and paste it, I'll give you the minimum number, maybe 2.5 or 2. Sumran,
All right,
please.
sir.
Sir, I am audible.
Yes, boy.
Yes, sir. So I have no question, sir.
No question.
Sir, how you
No,
will
sir.
see that we have copied or not?
We will read the paragraph before checking the answer sheet, boy.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Got my point? Okay. Surat Pandey?
Sir, how precise question will be asked? So we have to write.
In MCQ, usually we do not ask anything. Last year's MCQ paper, no, we don't have. Subrat, usually in
Sir,
PSC,
good
we ask
grammar.
technical question. Shivanshu,
Sir, good
97
grammar
first.
alone cannot get us full marks, sir.
Which one?
Sir, when we write our answers, good grammar cannot alone get us full marks.
See, there is a thing called, I'll tell you, there is a formula that we follow that's called Bloom's taxonomy. Bloom's taxonomy, Taxonomy. Most probably taxonomy spelling is this. Bloom's taxonomy says 60 plus 20 plus 20. This is the ratio. Now, 60 is for everyone. Everyone in the group will be able to answer 60%. 20% is for little more advanced. And this 20 is absolutely advanced people. So this is the ratio that is followed everywhere under the sun. Everywhere. If the teacher wants to test the student's capability, it may vary, but usually this is the pattern that we follow. 60% we keep it for everyone of the class, 20% middle category, and rest of the 20 is for advanced people. This is the strategy that is followed right from Harvard to MIT. The ratio may vary, but this is the way we frame our question paper. Got my point?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And anything else? Any other question? Sir, as MCQ suggests, there will be option. Will it be? What does it mean, madam? Srishti?
सर एमसीक्यू में ऑप्शंस होंगे ऐसा पूछना चाह रहे
MCQ, the name is giving you option, na? MCQ को full form क्या है?
Multiple choice questions.
So what does it mean? You will get option, right?
सर
Multiple
मुझे
correct
लगा
question है ना?
सर वन वर्ड आंसर लिखना है
नहीं कुछ नहीं. One word answer नहीं होगा.
Only
MCQ
tick mark.
multiple choice question.
Sir, multiple
So then
correct
it
नहीं
will
ना
be
होगा.
easy.
Multiple correct नहीं होगा. Easy or difficult, that depends on the person who is writing the exam. These are very relative word. Easy, difficult are very relative word. Please do not ask this question because it ultimately depends on how easy your preparation. And anything else? Samriddhi, any question? Sanjeet?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No question. Shruti Kashyap?
No, sir. No question.
Tejesh? Tenjin?
No, sir.
Vibhuti?
No, sir.
Srishti?
No, sir, it's clear.
Okay, Unnati? How much time will be? That depends on question. Usually for last 2 years, we have been giving 30 question and 1 hour time. 30 question, 1 hour time. Yash Kumar Singh? Any question, Sushmita?
No, sir.
No question. Shreyansh?
Clear, sir.
No question. Shashank Pillai?
No, sir. No question.
श्रेयांश पटेल कहाँ बैठे हो भाई?
Clear, sir. Clear.
डीपी में कहाँ बैठे हो?
Sir, घर पर ही.
अरे बाप रे, बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है आपको.
Thank you, sir.
तेंजिन? तेंजिन?
Yes, sir.
क्लास समझ में आ रहा है बेटा?
हाँ
Are
जी,
you
sir.
able to understand what I am saying?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any difficulties with anyone? Difficulties with anyone?
Sir, passing mark कितना रहेगा sir?
Yes, Sumran?
Passing mark.
Sir, I feel 1 hour is not sufficient for
पासिंग मार्क्स यूजुअली 100 में 40 होता है, कैलकुलेट कर लो.
6, sir. 6.
6 questions.
Okay, K. Shivani Khare, will you give us PDF exam paper? Online test, like it will be. I never appeared for JEE, so I have no idea about JEE. It's about Google Classroom. We'll try to manage a one demo. Okay, Shivani.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 1 hour is not sufficient for 30 questions. Sir.
1 hour is not sufficient. Then 1 day is not sufficient. Anything else? 30
Sir, are you
question, ma'am,
planning for
15
mock
full
test?
marks. 15 full marks में usually Government of India protocol is 3/2. Full marks multiple by 3/2. करो, calculate करो कितना होता है. Full marks is 15. Calculate करो, multiple by 3/2. How much time do you get?
22.5.
हाँ. So we are giving you better, more than that, na? Check anywhere. That's the protocol Government of India follows. Shubrat, wanna say something?
Sir, you are planning for mock test, sir.
I am planning, but I'm not very sure. Anything else, Surat?
सर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स में सर पता ही नहीं चल रहा है, मतलब कहाँ क्या पढ़ रहे हैं.
आपके पास तो सिलेबस है ना, सुमरन कुमार?
सिलेबस है सर, बट मतलब सही से पढ़े नहीं है इतना, तो लग रहा है तो क्या होगा ऐसा.
देखिए, पार्ट्स ऑफ
fear
स्पीच
of
तो आपको
exam.
पता है. Krishna, please mute yourself, boy. Okay, Sumran, parts of speech आपके पास पढ़े होंगे. Then, for example, comprehensive passage also is there. Follow the syllabus, boy.
But
कुछ
for
Sumran?
सर बट फॉर प्रैक्टिस मतलब ये पता ही नहीं चलता है, मतलब कहाँ से कैसे प्रैक्टिस करें. दैट्स
Practice, how can I suggest
वो एक
like
बार
that?
ले लीजिए सर एक बार एग्जाम ले लीजिए ताकि उससे पता चले कि हाँ इस तरह के क्वेश्चन आए, सो दैट आई गेट अ गुड मार्क्स.
Let me see if I can manage an exam like that. Let me see. Okay. So shall I close the class?
Yes,
Thank you. See you next
Thank
week.
you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you, sir.